Connecting the Dots. And in this lesson, we are going to speak about a person's story. And this person is very famous. ये वो इंसान है जिसके वजह से Apple became one of the most famous brands in the world. I am sure you people have already started guessing it right. Come on, tell me, who is the person? It's not Bill Gates. Bill Gates तो बाबा Microsoft वाला है. कोई ये लिखा है, देव लिखता है न्यूटन. बाबा, it is Steve Jobs. It's Steve Jobs. This lesson is about Steve Jobs, and this lesson was actually a speech delivered by Steve Jobs at one of the graduation ceremonies in the US. Okay, so I'm very sure you people know that in the US, whenever a student gets graduated or whenever a batch of students gets graduated, so there is a huge function that takes place wherein they all wear those black loose cloth, right? And they have a cap on their head and they throw it up. Atharva Shinde, you've continuously been typing something. I request you to not do it, or else I'll have to remove you from the meeting. I hope this is enough. Thank you. Yeah. So Steve Jobs को वहाँ पर बुलाया गया था as a chief guest. Okay. There's also a term which is usually used in MBA course. So every week or every month there is an alumni meet. Alumni, ALUMNI, alumni are those students who had been in the college once upon a time and now are doing really well in their lives. Okay, ये वो बच्चे होते हैं. अब क्योंकि वो लाइफ में बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, so the college invites them so that they can give a piece of advice to the new generation so that they can also succeed just like the ex students did. So Steve Jobs over here was called as a chief guest. Okay, क्योंकि सारे बच्चे graduate हो रहे थे, तो इनको भी यहाँ बुलाया गया था so that he could give a piece of advice and give them some teachings to take forward in life. So guys, let us learn something about Steve Jobs. So guys, as we all know, he was born in 1955 and he passed 8 to 9 years ago in 2011. So we all know Steve Jobs was an American entrepreneur, business magnate, inventor, and industrial designer. He was the chairman, chief executive officer, and the co-founder of Apple Incorporation, which means a company, Apple. He is widely recognized as one of the pioneers, the beginners of the microcomputer revolution of the 1970s and 80s. All right. What is a central idea? So this lesson allows us to peep into the life of Steve Jobs, who out of sheer determination and never say die attitude, follow all the human obstacles to reach to the pinnacle of success. What do you mean by the word pinnacle? Come on, put it in the chat immediately. What do you mean by the word pinnacle? Om is asking me, what do you mean by entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a French word for businessman. Entrepreneur means a businessman. Pinnacle, yes, pinnacle means the top, the peak of success. Connecting the Dots is a book written by Rashmi Bansal. In this book, there are inspiring stories of 20 enterprising individuals without an MBA who started their own ventures. So ये वो 20 businessmen या entrepreneurs हैं दुनिया के जिन्होंने बिना ज़्यादा पढ़ाई किए या बिना graduation या MBA किए इन्होंने बहुत कुछ achieve कर लिया in the field of business. The word venture means business. Summary, I don't like to do summaries all the time, rather sometimes, because I think summaries reveal everything about the lesson that actually kills the entire mood of the lesson, so I won't do it. So guys, so we will start with the lesson now. I hope you have your pens and pencils in a book. Let us begin. So, Steve Uncle says, today I want to tell you 3 stories from my life. So guys, today we're going to learn 3 stories from his life. That's it, just 3 stories, he says. The first story is about connecting the dots. Guys, I have a question to you, okay? Write a yes or a no as per your own opinions, okay? Can you connect the dots looking forward or looking backward? So you can write F or B, okay? You can write F or B, for F for forward, B for backward. Can you connect the dots of your life looking forward or backwards? Write an F if you support forward, or write a B when you write backward if you believe in backward. So honestly, I see Yash from Ghatkopar saying B. Then I see Palak Gala from Vikhroli saying B. Then I see Khushi from DN Nagar saying B. Then Rudrakshi from DN Nagar saying B. So there are very few people who said B. And if you ask me what is the correct answer, I would say it's always when you look backwards, when you connect कि कोई चीज क्यों हुई. If I have to give you an example, I would just like to tell you a little part, okay? So after I was done with my graduation, I didn't know what to do in life. So I tried various things, and unfortunately, I kept failing at those various things in the first year after my graduation in 2012. By the end of 2012, suddenly there happened an incident where I met a particular person during the Ganesh Chaturthi occasion in my building. That person offered me a little role of a teacher uh, at a particular institute, which was pretty local at that time. I thought to myself, वैसे भी कुछ कर नहीं रहा हूँ लाइफ में, ट्राई कर लेते हैं टीचिंग, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. I started with my career within half a year. I realized that I was enjoying what I was doing. मजा आ रहा था पढ़ाने में. Thanks to a lot of students like you who make people like me feel younger every day. So I started, and then new opportunities came by. Things kept happening, and I became a part of a very renowned institute, then left an institute, and then Adyam tutorials happened. So now when I look back at my life, I am able to connect the dots. तभी मुझे लग रहा था कि यार क्या टीचर बन के क्या करना है लाइफ में. I'll just be a master G somewhere and God knows what's gonna happen. But now when I connect the dots, I realize कि अच्छा हुआ जब मैंने ग्रेजुएशन खत्म किया, मुझे नहीं पता था कि मुझे क्या करना है. क्योंकि अगर मुझे नहीं पता होता तो मैं इंग्लिश टीचर नहीं बनता. अगर मैं इंग्लिश टीचर नहीं बनता तो आज मैं जहाँ हूँ वहाँ नहीं होता, तुम सब मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते. Alright, so that's how you connect the dots only in the past. So कभी-कभी लाइफ में करंट सिनेरियो में ऐसा लगता है कि शी यार ये कितना बुरा हो गया. Okay, this is so bad that is happening in my life. But 2 years on from now, you will realize कि जो हुआ अच्छे के लिए हुआ. ये कहावत हमने बहुत सुनी है, बचपन से सुनी है. लोग बोलते हैं जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. That's what the story is about. So he says the first story is about connecting the dots. I dropped out of Reed College after the first 6 months, but then stayed around as a drop-in for another 18 months before I really quit. So guys, I wanted to write the meaning of dropped out of. Dropped out of means abandon or to leave. To leave or to abandon. So he dropped out of the Reed College, did not finish his graduation at all. He says पहला 6 महीना मैं Reed College में गया, उसके बाद में मैंने छोड़ दिया पढ़ाई करना. But then stayed around. So he still stayed around in the college as a drop-in as in to visit. Okay, you may get this question in the exam to to make a sentence using the phrase to drop in. काफी लोग बोलते हैं I dropped in a bomb. No, that's wrong. To drop in is to visit. So you can say I dropped in to visit my school teachers. I dropped into my school to visit my school teachers. I dropped into my grandparents' house to visit them. That's how you can make these sentences. All right. So he says, I still dropped in for another 18 months. बोलता है मैं 18 महीने तक मैं आना जाना करता रहता था. And after that, I really quit. Looking back, he says, it was one of the best decisions I ever made. वो टाइम पर I'm sure आपको पता रहेगा. You tell me, how would have people reacted? How would have his parents reacted when he would have said मेरे को quit करने का पढ़ाई? Come on, raise your hands and I'll unmute you and you can tell me the answer. What do you think? How would the parents must have reacted to this? I see Jitendra Chaudhary from Vilepale. Jitendra, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Jitendra. Please tell me the answer. What do you think would have people's reaction when he said, I want to quit studies?
Steve Jobs' parents must have said that mm, mm, scold him, or
Right.
have slapped him also,
Okay.
and the situation of the family was very uncomfortable for Steve Jobs to manage the problem.
All right. Thank you so much, Jitendra. Right. So, as Jitendra rightly said, okay, there are some more people. Hi, Calista. Calista, can you hear me?
Yeah, sorry, sir. The mic was not working.
No problem, Beta. Tell me what do you think how people would have reacted to his decision of quitting?
First, they would be very shocked
All
and
right.
surprised, and then the parents would have shouted at him and thrown him out of the house.
All right. Okay, नहीं यार parents इतने बुरे भी तो नहीं होते but okay that is a normal reaction that someone would have given even you can imagine if you tell your parents do this one thing, let us try this, okay, एक prank करो, मम्मी डैडी को बोलो मेरे को पढ़ाई छोड़ने गए, okay, and then you will see what happens, okay, ये try करो, prank करो, shoot करो, उनको बोलो मुझे पढ़ाई छोड़ना है, all right, and then let's see what happens. All right. So of course in the beginning when you say कि मुझे पढ़ाई छोड़नी है, people will react in a way that you wouldn't like it, won't be a pleasant reaction. But then he says, and at that time, when people are saying कि नहीं नहीं पढ़ाई छोड़ेगा तो बर्बाद हो जाएगा, and still you stand by your own decision, it's difficult, क्योंकि एक डर अंदर ये भी रहता है कि यार मैंने पढ़ाई तो छोड़ दी है, लेकिन अगर कल जाके मैं बर्बाद हो गया, if I don't make it big in life, these same people will keep on taunting me कि देखा we had told you and you made a wrong decision. All right. So he says, but looking back now, I think that it was the best decision I could ever make. Now, guys, I want you all to now stop typing on the chats, okay? अब ये ध्यान से सुनोगे क्यों बोल रहा, because this is one of the most exciting and the most interesting part of the story. You will learn a lot of things out of this part. So please stop typing on the group, okay? ध्यान से सुनो. So he says, looking back, it was one of my best decisions I ever made. I could stop taking the required classes that didn't interest me and begin dropping in on the ones that looked interesting. So basically, he became a bit like Ranchod Das Shamal Das Chanchad. He says, after I dropped out, nobody could force me कि तुमको लेक्चर बैठना ही पड़ेगा. अगर मुझे कोई लेक्चर बोरिंग लगता है तो मैं नहीं लेक्चर बैठूंगा, और अगर मुझे कोई लेक्चर इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है तो मैं उसमें जाके बैठूंगा. That's what he thought. Okay. Now let us see what kind of lectures interested him. So he says, I didn't have a dorm room. Let us understand the meaning of the word dorm room. Dorm is a dormitory. Okay, it's a room containing a number of beds for sleeping. तो एक बड़ा सा रूम होता है. आजकल के हॉस्टल में यू हैव सेपरेट रूम जिसके अंदर यू सी 2 or 3 people sleeping or sharing the room. But dorm is a dormitory where you see a huge room जिसके अंदर we have more than 50 to 60 beds, and all of the students, they have their one bed and they sleep over there. So he says that he did not have a dorm room. Why? Because he was a dropout. So I slept on the floor in the friend's room. So he had some Jukadu friends who let him sleep in their rooms. I returned Coke bottles for 5 cents, the 5 cent deposits to buy food with. And I would walk 7 miles across town every Sunday night to get one good meal a week at the Hare Krishna temple. So अब ये क्या करता था, पैसे तो थे नहीं इसके पास. So he had one way of doing it. In India, we call this Batli Bhangar wala. Okay, these people, they carry a big bag with them and they keep shouting on the road, "Hey, Batle Bhangar wale." I know I sound like a professional, but I've never tried this career in my life. Okay, but I will not shy away from doing it if life forces me to do it as well. Alright, ये दूर की बात है. But तो काफी सारे लोग ना guys पुराने जमाने में when I was like of your age, so when we would go to a particular shop to have a Coke or a Pepsi or a Sprite or a Mirinda, whatever. So तभी ना प्लास्टिक का ग्लास नहीं मिलता था, तभी मिलता था ग्लास वाला बॉटल्स. So what you have to do is, if the glass bottle costs you 10 rupees, तो you have to pay 15 rupees because 5 rupees was the deposit. अगर तुमने ग्लास का बॉटल तोड़ दिया तो 5 रुपया तुमको वापस नहीं मिलेगा, और अगर तुमने बॉटल वापस की तो 5 रुपया मिलेगा. So a lot of people, what they used to do is they would simply keep the bottles on the road here and there. So some poor people would take those bottles, give it back to the shopkeeper and get some money. That's what even Steve Jobs did in the beginning of his career. And then he says, every week, once a week, on every Sunday, पूरा हफ्ता पैसा बचा के, I would walk down 7 miles across town to get one good meal a week. पूरे हफ्ते में एक दिन अच्छा खाना मिले, इसके लिए मैं 7 miles चल के जाता था to the Hare Krishna temple. Now you might be wondering, sir, US में Hare Krishna temple? But guys, Hare Krishna temple is a very famous temple. I want to know if someone knows about this temple. Yes, I can see a lot of people writing this on the chat. I can see Shivani from Takshila saying ISKCON. Yes, it's the ISKCON temple. ISCKON. It's a ISKCON temple. In Mumbai, it is located. Do you know the location? Come on, let me see if you don't know the location. People living in DN Nagar should know this. DN Nagar से बहुत पास में है. Yes, it is in Juhu, right? और कसम से बोल रहा हूँ guys, my parents and I and my entire family during Raksha Bandhan and a lot of other festivals we go there. What wonderful food they provide. It's a little expensive, but साल में एक बार तो इंसान जा ही सकता है यार. बड़ा ही tasty खाना होता है उनका. All right. So he says I would go there, and he says I loved it, and much of what I stumbled into by following my curiosity and intuition turned out to be priceless later on. So he says I stumbled onto. I wanted to underline stumbled onto and write the meaning realized. Stumbled onto means realized. Stumbled onto means realized. He says, I realized something by following my curiosity. Can someone tell me the meaning of the word curiosity? Please write it in the chat. Curiosity का meaning क्या है? जल्दी से, what do you mean by curiosity? Excitement to learn. Very good. उत्सुकता लिखा है प्रीत परमार ने. बेटा इंग्लिश में मीनिंग दे मेरे को. Right. Ambiguity is a little negative, but yes, you can definitely consider it. Excitement and interest, inquisitive. Right. Inquisitive can also be a word. All right. So ये बोलता है मेरा जो curiosity था ना, क्या curiosity था उसका? To learn things that I love to learn, and my intuition, guys. Right. Let's see the meaning of the word intuition. Intuition means an instinct or the ability to understand what your conscious or what your conscience is trying to tell you. अगर आपको शॉर्ट में बोलूं तो इंट्यूशन कैन ऑल्सो बी गट फीलिंग. कभी कभी बोलते हैं ना मेरा गट फीलिंग बोल रहा है कि यार ये सही है करना, अब मेरा गट फीलिंग बोल रहा है दिस इज रॉन्ग, ये नहीं करना चाहिए. सो ही सेज आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई फॉलोड माय गट फील एंड दिस टर्न्ड आउट टू बी प्राइसलेस लेटर ऑन. अब ये प्राइसलेस कैसा हुआ गाइस? वो जो कनेक्टिंग द डॉट्स था ना, वो अभी हम पढ़ रहे हैं. ये इंसिडेंट बहुत सुपर्ब है. यू विल लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आउट ऑफ इट. Here's one example. Reed College offered perhaps the best calligraphy instruction in the country. Because I had to take a calligraphy class, I learned about serif and sans serif typefaces, about what makes great typography great. Now he says because because he had dropped out, he wasn't forced to attend those typical lectures by a lot of students. He says Reed College offered the best calligraphy instruction in the country, and because he says I had taken the calligraphy class, I learned about serif and sans serif typefaces. Now you will raise your hands and tell me what is serif and what is sans serif. Akshay Lad, please put your camera off. Come on, raise your hands. Let me see. I see Anand from JB Nagar. Anand, can you hear me? Anand, can you hear me? All right, maybe Anand isn't able to answer. Then I would go with Shivam Sukale from Ghatkopar. Hi, Shivam, can you hear me? Shivam, can you hear me? All right, then we move on to Khushi from DN Nagar. Hi, Khushi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but tell me, what do you mean by serif and sans serif typefaces?
So I'm not pretty sure, but I guess these are fonts.
Right, pretty close, pretty close. Thank you so much, Khushi.
Yes, sir.
All right, then we go to Raj Chauhan from Vikhroli. Raj, can you hear me? Raj Chauhan from Vikhroli, can you hear me? All right, I don't think he can. Then let's go to Henry. Hi, can you hear me? Henry, can you hear me? लगता है सब लोगों को माइक का प्रॉब्लम्स है, चलो कोई बात नहीं है. But yes, it's a type of a font. And Samara from Takshila says a serif is a small line or a stroke regularly attached to the end of a letter. Yes, Samara, you are absolutely perfect in your answer here. That is what it is. Yes, तो guys ये एक टाइप का फॉन्ट है. अगर आप लोगों ने कभी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड या आपने कभी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट यूज किया है तो आप उसमें देखेंगे कि हर एक टेक्स्ट के ऊपर उसका डिफरेंट फॉन्ट्स रहता है, बराबर. तो उनमें से एक फॉन्ट होता है सेरिफ एंड सैंस सेरिफ. ओके, and he says this is what makes great typography great. All right, so as serif is already mentioned, a small line attached to the end of a stroke in a letter or a symbol, that is serif. And typography is the appearance of the printed matter. तो अब ये जो कैलीग्राफी था उसको कैसे हेल्प किया is what we will see. He says ये सीखने के 10 years later, when we were designing the first Macintosh computer, it all came back to me. Now guys, if you remember, Macintosh computer was the first ever MacBook computer that was created by Steve Jobs. Okay, so Macintosh computer बनाने के टाइम पे सब इसको वापस से याद आया. अब कैसे याद आया is what we will see. And we designed it all into the Mac. अब ये Mac क्या है? Macintosh computer. If I never dropped in on that course in college, the Mac would have never had multiple typefaces, or for that matter, even proportionally spaced fonts. Okay, अब इसका मतलब guys मालूम है क्या है? जब इन्होंने Macintosh बनाया तो guys Macintosh became the first computer, okay, जिसके अंदर सिर्फ एक टाइप का फॉन्ट नहीं था, अलग अलग टाइप के फॉन्ट्स थे. This is what made Macintosh better and unique from the other computers that were being created by the other computer giants. Okay, तो कंप्यूटर तो वो टाइम पे बहुत लोग बना रहे थे, बट उनके सब कंप्यूटर में सिर्फ एक या दो फॉन्ट ही रहता था. But because Steve Jobs had learned calligraphy, he said he could use it all in his Macintosh, and that made Macintosh a unique computer and the best-selling computer of that era. इसका मतलब इससे हम क्या सीखते हैं? Okay, what do we learn out of this? I want you to put your hands up and tell me what do you learn out of this. Raise your hands and I will unmute you. What lesson did you learn? Okay, I can see Hitesh from Ghatkopar. Hi Hitesh, can you hear me beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah beta, tell me what lesson can we learn?
Whatever we learn in the life, it never goes waste.
Perfect, crisp, to the point. Good job Hitesh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. I am putting people's hands down. If you still want to answer and have a different answer, you can still put your hands up and I can unmute you. Okay, I see Atharva Parav from DN Nagar. Hi Atharva. Atharva, can you hear me? Mayank from Vilepale, can you hear me? Mayank? चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. I think Hitesh's answer was perfect and to the point. What we learn out of this first story, I want you to write this down, okay? You might get this answer, this question for your personal response as to what do you learn, what is the message that you get from the first story. Whatever you learn in life never goes to waste. तुम कुछ भी सीखो, फिर तुम मेहंदी लगाना सीखो, या तुम डांस करना सीखो, या तुम कोई भी एक बोलते हैं ना छोटी सी छोटी चीज भी तुम सीखो, nothing goes to waste. This is what we learn from Steve Jobs' first story. And then he says, and since Windows just copied Mac, it's likely no personal computer will have them, would have them. So guys, this is a sarcasm, a taunt that Steve Jobs is actually hitting at Windows, Microsoft, Bill Gates. कि वैसे भी Windows ने Mac को copy ही किया, तो it is likely that no personal computer will have those typefaces that Mac had. Of course, it was impossible to connect the dots, associate an idea previous to another next, to find or create a new big picture. ये meaning नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, मैंने आपको बता दिया क्या है, and you already know it. Looking forward when I was in college, but it was very clear looking backwards 10 years later. तो ये बोलता है कि यार जब मैं कॉलेज में था तभी ये सब कनेक्ट करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट था, because I didn't know कि मैं जो कर रहा हूँ सही कर रहा हूँ. I didn't know whether how calligraphy will help me ever in life. I didn't know all of that. But after after creating Macintosh computer, he says I feel I can connect the dots, and whatever I've learned has come to help me. And जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. All right, we will move on. You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. Okay, it's a very important line. Okay, so you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. I want you to underline this part and write faith beside it. Faith. He's saying we must have faith that no matter what, today or tomorrow, things will fall in place. You have to trust in some things. Your gut का मतलब your instinct, your courage and your determination, your destiny, your life, karma, whatever. जो भी हो, तुमको भरोसा होना चाहिए. या तो अपने डेस्टिनी में कि यार मेरे नसीब में लिखा है और होगा, या तो अपने डिटर्मिनेशन में कि यार मैंने जो डिसीजन लिया सही लिया है, मैं करूंगा इसको, या तो कर्मा में कि यार अगर मैं अच्छा करूंगा तो गुड थिंग्स विल कम बैक टू मी. Whatever, but you got to have some faith in whatever you do. This approach has never let me down. I want to know from you, what do you mean by never? What do you mean by let me down, or to let someone down? इसका मतलब क्या है? To let someone down, what does this mean? To let someone down means no, it is not to make feel bad. Yes, Samarth from DN Nagar, it means disappoint. A lot of people have written disappoint. Yes, he says this method, this approach towards life has never ever disappointed me, and it has made all the difference in my life. Now we come to the next story, a very important and a nice story here. My second story is about love and loss. तो guys, थोड़ा romance होने वाला है और थोड़ा नुकसान भी होने वाला है. I found what I love to do early in my life that is Steve Wozniak. Do you know who was Steve Wozniak? Write it in the chat for me. Do you know who was Steve Wozniak? Yes, he was a co-founder of Apple. Okay, so उसका partner दोनों बहुत best friends थे. ये बोलता है what I love to do. I was lucky that I found it very early in my life. Now this is where there are some problems in life that काफी लोग को 25, 26, 30 साल तक समझ में नहीं आता कि what do you love to do. And some people like Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, नाम तो सुना ही होगा. The first thing that he picked up when he started working was the bat. Okay, cricket bat. Virat Kohli. These are legends. Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo. But not everybody is as lucky as these people are. For example, Boman Irani. Do you all know who's Boman Irani? Do you all know who's Boman Irani? Yes. My name is Veeru Sahasrabuddhe. Life is a race. Yes, the same man. He started his acting career pretty late in the 40s. तब जाके realize हुआ कि यार ये करना है life में. But he says I was lucky that he and his best friend Steve Wozniak. He says we started Apple when I was 20, and in 10 years Apple had grown from just the two of us in a garage into a $2 billion company. 10 साल में जहाँ पे सिर्फ दो लोग एक गराज में काम कर रहे थे, वहां से $2 billion company. And then he says, I got fired. गोली नहीं लगी. He says he lost the job. It was devastating. What do you mean by devastating? Something that destroys you completely. Now, he got fired. Now, you people might have a lot of questions in your mind. Sir, ये तो एक owner था, तो ये fire कैसे हो सकता है? Owner को कैसे company से निकाल सकता है? So guys, I'll tell you a little, I'll just give you a little understanding about this. So what happens is, till the time your company is a private limited company, PVT, private limited, the company is yours, okay? You are the owner. Yes, I see a lot of people are giving me the right answer. Yes, a lot of people have already read about him, I think. But once your company becomes a public limited company, यानी कि आपने shares issue किया है और लोगों ने आपके कंपनी के शेयर खरीदे हैं, यानी कि आपके कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट किया है, then of course you are still the head of the company, but you are not the only owner of the company. there are other owners of the company, which include the board of directors and also the shareholders of the company. तो ऐसे में अगर board of members जो हैं, board of directors जो हैं, अगर चाहें तो आपको निकाल सकते हैं. अब इनको निकाला क्यों? What was the reason why you got fired? I want you people to research on this and come the next time, that is on Monday, and tell me. Okay, this is your duty. Let me see how many of you get the correct answer, the correct reason for Steve Jobs getting fired. All right, so I will stop here right now because मैं नहीं चाहता कि आप, because I don't want you people to get some incomplete information. I want some excitement to exist, and that's why I will stop the sharing. And I will, if you have some doubts right now, you can post your doubts. मेरे को story अभी कोई नहीं बताएगा. Yes, Preet says he was largely responsible for helping revive Apple, which had been on the verge of bankruptcy. Very right, but I want you people to go and find it out. All right, now I will give you your homework. Okay, just a moment. I just give you your homework, and the homework is nothing for the day. Your homework is just to go and research about why did he get fired. That's your homework for the day.